Aprilia has just introduced a more extreme version of the RSV4 Superbike, the RSV4 X Ex3ma, which we believe is pronounced Extrema. This motorcycle will only be produced in a limited run of 30 units to commemorate the 30th anniversary of Max Biaggi's victory in the GP250 with Aprilia in 1994. The Perla livery is inspired by the RS250 race bike that helped Biaggi win 3 world championships from 1994 to 1996. Extrema is the latest model from Aprilia's Factory Works program, following other limited edition models like the RSV4 X, 210 X, and RSV4 X3ma launched in 2022. This bike adopts ground effect aerodynamics technology from the RSGP24 MotoGP race bike. The front fairing features a double-winglet design, while the swing arm has a scoop-shaped underwing. The front wheel is also equipped with cornering wings beneath the brake calipers. Aprilia claims this design provides a significant increase in stability and grip. The carbon fiber fairing is designed to increase vertical pressure by up to 5 times on straightaways and deliver 3 times the downforce while cornering, enhancing grip. The side panels also have a special shape that exploits air pressure between the bike and the ground, further improving grip during turns. Beneath the fairing is a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine with a higher compression ratio. This engine is equipped with a Sprint filter air filter and an SC Project exhaust system featuring titanium headers and 2 silencers reminiscent of the RS250. The engine produces 230 horsepower at 13,500 RPM and 97 lb-ft of torque at 11,000 RPM. The motorcycle's chassis uses the same twin-spar aluminum frame as the standard RSV4, while the suspension is provided by Öhlins. The suspension includes a pressurized FKR fork and a TTX piggyback shock, both fully adjustable. Öhlins also supplies an adjustable steering damper. The braking system is supplied by Brembo, featuring GP4MS monoblock calipers, dual DP330T drive front discs, and a nickel-plated rear caliper. The carbon fiber rims are fitted with Pirelli slicks, using SC1 tires in front and SCX tires in the rear, just like those used in World Superbike. What do you think about the RSV4 X Ex3ma? With a price tag of around $99,000, are you interested in owning one of the 30 units available? What feature excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates from the motorcycle world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Max Biaggi! Mamma mia! Che spettacolo!
Max Biaggi is the world champion.